She always was talking about these crazy things, and I never understood a word she said. All I understood was that she was the girl I sat up every night thinking about. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ashley. If you want to become a part of my small little family, please subscribe to me. Today is a pretty simple cut crease. I mean, it wasn't a lot of bright colors or anything like that. It was very neutral. So yeah, if you would like to keep on watching. Okay, I'm back, homies. Stay. Okay. Honey, why do you do this to me? Why? My little mirror that I have, it's like one of those like flippy mirrors, and it always swings back, and I hate it. Okay. Am I gonna set my eyes? I heard like the new thing is not to set your eyes. Should we? You know what? No, we don't got time to set our eyes. Just kidding, we actually do, but okay. So we're gonna use Jacqueline nail palette from Morphe. So yeah. The first color I'm gonna go in with is Creamsicle, cause we basic like that. I don't know if I should do like a really colorful look, cause I'm not good at that. I shouldn't be rubbing that. If you guys have not invested, and I probably said this in like so many other videos, it's like so dirty. If you have invested in a clean sweep makeup brush pad, this is really good when you're doing an eyeshadow look. Well, that's what it's kind of for. When you like switch colors and stuff, so like you don't have the old color or like colors don't mix. And it just like cleans your brushes for you. And you could take it out and clean this. Yes ma'am. Okay, so Creamsicle it is. These are like so pigmented, it's insane. Should I like, I'm gonna zoom you guys in real quick. I don't even think you, oh. I feel like you guys need to lift it again. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. It's because I have a new setup. I can't use my tripod because my tripod is way too tall. Okay, we're gonna stay right there. You guys can see what's going on. Okay. I really want to build up that color. So, oh, that was just like literally so, that was weird. It's a little harsh. Okay, so I'm like satisfied with this. But what I like to do to make sure everything's blended, I go in with the clean brush and just like clean up the edges and go as light as possible. Looks like I'm going all ham, but I'm actually really not. Like, look at where my hand is. Ew, it looks so ugly. Gotta get this done so I don't look ugly no more. Okay, what are we going with next? Okay, we're gonna go in with I think it's called Pukey. But now that I think about it, it does look like a pukey color. It's so relaxing. Oh girl, yes, hunty, yes. Where's that from? I probably got it off of Twitter, I just don't remember. Twitter is my favorite app right now. That has me dying. Not literal. I just dropped my brush. Oh! I almost died. Okay, let's get back to this. Okay, once I'm done with this, I'll skip and have this eye done, and then we'll go into my thing. Okay, next color underneath Pukey is Roxanne. It's the color we're going in with. It's like a redder. It's red. Okay, to kind of like let that all like gradually go in, I'm gonna blend this. My camera's overheating. I hate this so much. We're gonna take a break, guys. We'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, let's just continue this look before I freak out. And I'm sorry if you hear the noise. I guess today's not my day. Okay, so I used this color. Oh, this color. I'm gonna move up to this red color, which is Hunts. Oh yes, honey, yes. I'm gonna go in with creamsicle. Let me clean my brush. I should like get smudge over that because I've never seen anyone else use that. So I went in with Pukey and the color under it, which I believe was Roxanne. And I'm just gonna kind of like dab this in here. Because like I don't know if you guys could see, you guys probably can see like right here, it's like a really orangey thing, and like that's not what I'm trying to do like right there, more at the top, but I guess we'll just have to work with it. That's what I get for not setting my eyes. I don't know who else. Oh, I think it was Daisy Marquez who says we're on this trend. Honey, I'm not on this trend with you. She's really pretty though. Okay, I think we should just cut the crease. I was gonna say clits. Ew, I hate myself. Cut the crease and the lid. So, I'm gonna show you guys how I cut my crease, because if you're anything like me, you struggle. And get a good amount of concealer, put it in like kind of the middle, and then I'm gonna roll my eyes to these haters. Just kidding, I don't have any haters. But do you see how it made that line for me? I probably do have haters, but it's okay. Okay, and so I'm gonna do it again just to make sure. And from there on out, I'm gonna put more concealer. Oh my lord, I'm already overheating. Okay, so you guys kind of get the gist. I'm gonna cut the rest of my lid, cut the rest of my crease, and then I will come back with the finished eye and we will finish the shimmer, the eyeliner, and the lashes, girl. Back and better again. So when I did this, like when I cut this crease, it was like way bigger than this one, so I have to like make this one look bigger. So if they look a little uneven, I'm sorry, I'm not perfect, but that's why you watch me anyways. I mean, we're all not perfect. Cactus makes perfect. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have like a little frame in my room. You don't know what I'm talking about. I have a little frame in my room that I just got. It has like a little cactus and it says cactus makes perfect. Is it practice? Oh, so cute. Actually, like, I'm probably like the only person who really loves puns. Like, I freaking love puns. Anyways, okay. Let's continue. Let me like relax, because I like sitting crisscross. I'm so used to sitting crisscross, but not my new chair. I mean, it lets me, but I'm a little too big for my big chair, for my little chair. I'm gonna take out this blanket real quick because it's getting hot up in here. It's getting hot in here. Is that how it goes? So take off all your clothes. I don't know how the song goes. Okay, so I didn't set them. I literally just used my fingers and like go like that. Yes, auntie. Not the best method ever. We're gonna go with this one because it's the one that caught my eye for sure. It's the Adorn one from the Subculture palette. That one right there. Oh. It just came out. Oh, I'm sad. I don't like want to press it in because like I can't touch it no more. This palette does suck. It truly sucks. I'm freaking sad. Okay, so we're just gonna use this. gonna pop it on. Oh yes, hunty. We did not come to play today. Towards the end when I'm like blending in, I kind of like just bring it, like sweep it kind of, not too much. Just like, I hope that makes sense. Okay, I want to go in again with that color. This color did not come to play. No, I did not. Yes. Yes. I'm in love. Okay, to kind of like, I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna move on to the other eye, and then we're gonna come back and just like blend it in a little more. I really feel like it's blended, but just for the extraness, we're gonna blend it in more, and then I will line my eyes and put on my lashes, and you will see this face beat. Back again. I'm gonna zoom in a little more. So I ended up blending the color in, and then I just saw this trick. Honey, let me tell you, it works. And it's because I used to do it, like I thought I did it before, but like I would go in really harshly. But okay, so I'm gonna go in with the last two shades I used, but I'm gonna go in reverse. So instead of using Roxanne and Hunts, I used Roxanne first, and then I went in with Hunts. So I'm doing it the other way. I'm doing Hunts first and then Roxanne because it's a darker color. It kind of messed up there, but nobody needs to know that. Okay, and with those same two colors, just like literally just tap and tap, and like I used a little detail brush, and I'm going above the cut crease, right, kind of at the line, slowly. People probably already knew this, but it's because I was doing it wrong. I used to go and get like a different brush and then like go up, and I'm just making my life harder. This girl, she's like, you just do like a little line and you blend it out, and I was like, oh my god, I feel so dumb. It don't work. So I'm just gonna line my eyes and then put on some lashes and then beat my whole face. I'm like all into it. I know I said this before, but I wanted to show you guys how I blended. So yeah, so I'm gonna go beat my face and we will be right back. So I finished my foundation and stuff. I'm not completely done with like my full face, but I already wanted to get this out of the way, which is the eyeshadow on the bottom. I'm like wanting to risk not setting it, but we're gonna do it anyways. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom in. Sorry guys. Closer. Okay, we're gonna be that close. Y'all can see my flaws even underneath my foundation. So I'm gonna go with the creamsicle again, starting off, and lightly blend that to my lash line. If you struggle with this, I kind of like, okay, so when I go like this on my eye, do you see that little crease that comes out? That's where like my max is to go, because before I would literally put eyeshadow all crazy and I didn't know how to do it. So yeah, in case you have trouble with that, try to do that with your eye, like see where that is and don't go past that. Okay, so now I'm going in with Pukey. Now I'm going in with Hunts, which is that red color, and making sure I tap off all that excess because I know this is a very pigmented color. I'm trying to stay closer to the edge and slowly bring it to the front, the outer edge, and then the inner corner, just a little bit. Okay, and you guys already see that fire look. Okay, and now I'm just going in with Roxanne, just a very little, and then putting that more on the edge, the outer corner, so it blends in with what's already over here, and slowly kind of bring it. And there, that's it. That's all you gotta do to slay. Okay, let's do the other side. And literally I use the same brush, but I just flip it and it works just fine. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Once again, please subscribe to me if you are already not subscribed. Please comment any suggestions you would like to see. And like this video, share this video. What else do I got for you guys? Nothing much. Thank you very much. Bye.